Hi, my name is Ella. I'm a first year at the University of Bath and this is my room in Eastwood. So this accommodation is a single bed accommodation and it's also a shared bathroom, which means it's one of the cheaper options. It's £120 a week. But when I first came here, I was quite surprised about how spacious it actually is. In all of these rooms, you get a really big desk and a lot of shelf space, which is really handy for storage. But I'd also recommend getting under-bed storage boxes, so they really help. Also for storage, you get some drawers and there's also space under the sink as well. These rooms originally didn't have a sink, but after COVID they put it in, which is also really helpful. Also, something that's really nice in these rooms is you get a massive pin board, so you can put all of your photos. Also, another thing that I was really pleasantly surprised about when I came to Eastwood was how big the wardrobes actually were. It was a really nice surprise when I first came here, but I would recommend getting some over-the-door hooks. They're really helpful for storing your bags. I also really love how big the window is in my room, and I'm also really lucky that I get a lovely view from here. There we go, that is my Eastwood room. Although it is a shared kitchen and shared bathroom between 13 people, I would highly recommend, especially to people on a budget, because it's only £120 a week. But if you'd like to take a look at any other accommodations, please have a look at the Uni of Bath website. Bye!